Now we're going to talk about a short history of written communication by explaining this text. This text has more than one paragraph. The first paragraph, starting here, when people talk about the most important developments of civilization, they usually mention writing. Writing makes it possible for people to send messages over long distances and across time. So, this paragraph has one general idea. Writing is a type of communication. So, how can we know writing is a type of communication? Look here on this sentence. Writing makes it possible for people to send messages over long time distances and across time. So here we have civilization is a new word here. In Arabic we call it hadara. The second paragraph. Imagine living on Earth 30,000 years ago. If you are good at drawing, you will cover the walls of your cave with paintings of your hands. If you're a good hunter, you will draw the animals you've hunted to show people. Such drawings are among the earliest examples of writing. So here we have a question. So what was the earliest example of writing? So here drawings. Okay, if you lived in the past, so you are good at drawing, you will cover the walls of your cave with paintings of your hands. And if you are a good hunter, okay, you can draw the animals you've hunted to show people that. So, drawings we can consider here. Drawings are among the earliest examples of writing. The third paragraph, thousands of years pass, and writing moves from drawings to hieroglyphics and then alphabets. As written language develops, people realize they can communicate with other people far away. They want to send letters, but if you want to send a letter, you should use a postal service. So here we can ask, how did writing develop? By moves from drawings to hieroglyphics and then alphabets. So here we have a strange word, hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics is a type of writing by using symbols. Then alphabets. As written language develops, people realize they can communicate with other people farther away. So here we realized so we can communicate by writing. But there is a condition here. So if we wanted to send the letters, okay, we should use what postal service. So postal service, what the meaning of postal service as so خدمة بريدية. The next paragraph, the earliest example of postal service comes from ancient Egypt, a clear letter nearly 4,000 years old. The first government postal service began in China about 3,000 years ago, but people still needed something suitable to write on. So the postal service started in Egypt, but but the first government postal service began in China. هاي ليش حاطينها هيك؟ During the reign of August Caesar, 27 before Christian era to 14 Christian era, the Romans organized Europe's first postal service. But after the Roman Empire collapsed, the service stopped. So this paragraph talked about how the Egyptian discovered portable writing material. So the portable writing material is papyrus, and we have two ways that can messengers use to send and to carry messages: on foot or on horseback. The postal service stopped when the Roman Empire collapsed.